Hey there, this is me Ashish Verma, welcoming to all of you on my YouTube channel Ashish Engineering. As you all know, I'm working with L&T Construction as graduate engineering trainee. This year in 2020 itself, I joined L&T Construction in the month of August. Recently, I uploaded one video on my YouTube channel that was about my experience with L&T Construction as graduate engineering trainee. When I was uploading that video, I wasn't expecting that I'm going to get that much appreciation from that video. So I really appreciate to all the viewers, those have watched that video or are going to watch that video. So I got one responsibility on me that I should provide more information about L&T Construction so that viewer can get more valuable information about L&T if they are preparing for L&T Construction. And I know many people are out there who are preparing for L&T Construction. They are hoping to work with L&T Construction because it is one of the great industry, that great construction industry that we have in our country. All right. So there were many viewers those were commenting that, sir, how can we get job in L&T Construction if we are not from IITs and NITs? So this video is for all the students who are out there and they are not from IITs and NITs. Even though they are from IITs and NITs, they can use this platform and they can make their future with L&T Construction, with L&T. So today I'm going to talk about L&TBIS program that is named as Larsen & Toubro Build India Scholarship Program. So they basically every year they open this platform to hire BE and BTech students. Those are fresher, those are in 7th semester, and they are doing their BE and BTech in civil and electrical. So we will know everything about L&TBIS program in this video. So if you want to know all the things about L&TBIS program, you have to watch this video from beginning till the end. So let's talk about L&TBIS program. What is this program? It's Larsen & Toubro Build India Scholarship Program that is being offered by L&T to the BE and BTech students who are out there and they are fresher, they are doing their graduation from different colleges. So this is also for those students, those who are thinking that they are not privileged to get IITs and NITs, so they can't get L&T as a fresher. So it's a great platform. If you can utilize this platform, there are many highlights of this program. So I have tabulated those highlights that are really necessary to the people to know about L&TBIS program. After knowing those highlights only, they can understand what exactly L&T Build India Scholarship says. Alright, so first highlight is you will be given 2-year full-time MTech degree in construction technology management, and this 2-year 24-month training that will happen in topmost IITs and in NITs. Topmost IITs are listed in L&T Build India Scholarship Program. Those are IIT Madras and IIT Delhi, and NITs are NIT Surathkal and NIT Tirchi. So see, you'll be given a privilege to do your MTech in construction technology management and from topmost IITs and NITs. So what are you waiting for? If you are fresher, and if I'm going to talk about eligibility, if you are eligible, you can apply for L&TBIS program, man. So let's talk about some more highlights. All right. So course fee during your MTech program, everything will be given by stipend. You will be given a stipend like GATE aspirant from L&T. All right. And during your program itself, you will be taken care of everything. Everything will be taken care by L&T for you, for your medical facilities, everything, and you will be carried to the L&T work site where you can see live work process of L&T. All right, and after that you will be thinking like, how am I going to get job in L&T Construction? Just after fully completion of your MTech program through L&T Build India Scholarship Program, you will be given a full-fledged job in L&T itself as a construction engineer, as a senior engineer. All right, so these are highlights of L&TBIS program. So don't wait. If you are eligible, just apply, and don't ask me again that, sir, how am I going to get job in L&T Construction, right? So let's talk about the eligibility criteria of L&T Build India Scholarship Program, because it is must, it is necessary. All right, it is necessary. So eligibility criteria is you should be in final year and you'll be doing BE or BTech. All right, in civil engineering or electrical engineering, you should be from 2 streams only, civil or electrical. All right, and in six semester itself you should have at least 65% of CGPA or 65% of marks. So these two things are only eligible criteria. All right, and now let's talk about selection process. Selection process is pretty simple. It's like just your campus placement process. What is this? Online written test. There will be online written test. There will be two things: subjective if you are from civil, the technical question will be from civil. If you are from electrical, technical question from electrical. And this online written test will be followed by interview process. When you qualify this online written test, you will be getting a call for interview. All right, and after this whole process, the second thing will be when you will qualify interview, you will qualify your online written and subjective test. After qualifying interview, you will be going through a medical checkup test, for final medical checkup test. After qualifying that medical checkup test, you will be selected by L&T Build India Scholarship Program, right? So now you'll be thinking, sir, how can we apply, from where we can apply, and from where we can get notification for L&T Build India Scholarship Program. All right, so just wait, I'm going to tell you. I have tabulated them too in my notepad. So job opening calendar is candidate can register, yes, in this month itself they can register. In 2020 itself they can register from 15 November to 31st December. In 2020 itself they can register. Still time is there. If you are fresher and you are doing your BE and BTech and you are doing in civil or electrical system, you can just register, don't wait, just register. You can be the one who is gonna get L&T Build India Scholarship Program, and yes, one full-fledged construction management course from IITs or NITs, and after that a full-fledged job. What do you need? What are you waiting for, man? Just go for it. And exam date will be 1st March, so you have good time for preparation. All right, and interview dates will be March 4th to April 2nd week, right? So in between you can prepare. You will be given your date for interview. All right, and your joining process will be in July, in the month of July, with all the people those are coming from placement or other things. You will be getting joinings in the month of July, and you'll be going to the IITs or NITs, and those people are coming from different NITs and IITs. As a fresher, they'll be going to the site, they'll be going to the office as a as a staff member, and you'll be going as a learner in IITs or NITs. All right, so this is all about L&T Build India Scholarship Program, and I think you have got the great opportunity. Great opportunity. So don't ask me again, sir, from where I can get a job in L&T construction. It's a great platform. If you are fresher, just apply, prepare, put little effort, and you can get L&T construction as your dream, as your core dream, and you can be a great civil engineer, a great electrical engineer in L&T construction. And yes, as I earlier said, L&T construction, it is one of the best construction company that we have in our country. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Just wait. Don't wait. Just apply for this program. And yes, bye bye. Thank you, and keep watching, keep loving. If you are new in this channel, just please subscribe and hit that bell icon button so you can get all the notification about this channel. Bye bye. All the best.